The call of adventure whispers in your ear. Distant lands beckon, promising exotic sights, thrilling experiences, and the chance to forge your own path. But wait, are you a fearless female voyager embarking on your first solo journey? Fear not, these tips will help you conquer the world as a solo traveler. 1. Planning like a pro. The world is your oyster, but a bit of prep can ensure smooth sailing. Start by choosing your destination wisely. Consider factors like safety, budget, and the kind of experiences you want to have. Research your chosen destination thoroughly. Dive into travel blogs, watch vlogs, and read guidebooks to get a sense of what to expect. Know the customs, culture, and local norms. Understanding these can help you blend in and show respect to the local communities. Pack light, but don't skimp on the essentials. A well-packed bag can make your journey much more enjoyable. Passport, guidebook, first aid kit, check. Safety first, ladies. Always have a backup plan and keep copies of important documents. 2. Embrace the power of yes. Now let's talk about the power of yes. This is where the magic happens. When you're traveling solo, embrace the freedom to explore. Say yes to new experiences and opportunities. Strike up conversations with locals. They can offer insights and tips that you won't find in any guidebook. Take that cooking class or hike that hidden trail. These experiences will enrich your journey and create lasting memories. Don't be afraid to say yes to unexpected adventures. Sometimes the best moments are the ones you didn't plan for. The world is full of wonders just waiting for you to discover. Keep an open mind and heart. 3. Safety savvy. Safety is paramount. Trust your gut instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Be aware of your surroundings, especially at night. Stick to well-lit areas and avoid isolated places. Let someone know your travel plans and check in regularly. This ensures that someone always knows where you are. But don't let fear hold you back. The world is full of kind and helpful people. Most people are kind and helpful, always willing to lend a hand. Trust in the goodness of humanity. 4. Building your tribe. Solo doesn't mean lonely. Embrace the solitude and use it as a time for self-discovery. Hostels and group tours are fantastic ways to meet fellow adventurers. You'll find a community of like-minded travelers. Use social media to connect with locals and other travelers before you arrive. Join travel groups and forums to get tips and make friends. You'll find that building your tribe on the road is easier than you think. Shared experiences create strong bonds. The world is yours to conquer, fierce female traveler. Go forth, explore, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it.